So a couple of questions that we tend to get. If you want to change the color scheme, you can simply go to colors, press customize, and then you will see here that you can actually change a lot of things. So if you want to use slightly different brand colors, you can do so simply just by changing them in here. So I'm just going to change some of these for you now, and then you'll notice that they will automatically change in the charts. So that's one quick way of doing it. The other thing is when you add your own data in. So here, if you go to the product dashboard, product data, then you'll be able to amend this and change this as much as you like. If you want to add actual names for products, you can just type in here. You can change the sales figures. If you want to change these to whatever you want, and for example, you can change these ones as well. And then that will automatically reflect in the dashboard. So as you can see here, change the product name, and that's already gone in there for you. You can also amend these to be whatever you want. You could put that as like country, for example, and then do it like this. Yeah. So yeah, you can change a lot of this. This stuff will feed the main sheet as well. So if you want to change this, these will automatically calculate because they're based on formulas. So again, if you want to change these figures and you want to change like these ones here, just simply change the values in this part and they will automatically update.